Are you still paying money to graphic designers to create your book covers? What if I told you that you could design a professional, eye-catching book cover yourself in just minutes using AI? In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Sora to create stunning book covers for your books without spending money on a designer. Yes, you heard me right. Whether you're publishing on Amazon KDP, writing an ebook, or launching your own digital product, your cover is the first thing people see. And we all know people absolutely judge a book by its cover. Instead of paying hundreds of dollars or waiting days for revisions, I'll show you how to turn a simple idea into a beautiful, high-quality book cover using Sora in just a few steps. You don't need graphic design skills, you don't need expensive software, and you definitely don't need to stress. Just give me a few minutes, and by the end of this video, you'll be able to create your own book cover like a pro, quickly, easily, and affordably. Let's get started. Okay, now open your Chrome browser and search for Sora, S-O-R-A. Make sure you click on the Sora ChatGPT option. It should be the third option. Now go ahead and click Log In. Click on it. It's automatically going to direct you to ChatGPT. Go ahead and click Sign Up for free. You can sign up with your email or Google account, especially if you don't already have an account. Now input your full name and your birth date. I'm going to go ahead and input mine, and you can go ahead and input yours. When you're done, click on Continue. Let's wait for it to load. Now it has automatically taken us to ChatGPT. You're going to experience this if you don't already have ChatGPT. If you do have ChatGPT, it might look slightly different for you. We're going to go ahead and select what we're using ChatGPT for. You can skip this step or you can choose an option. I'll go ahead and click through it and then click on Next. Select for yourself and click on Continue. This is just a welcome message from ChatGPT. We're going to skip that for now so we can go directly to Sora. Click on Continue, then click on OK, let's go. Now we're going back to the search bar and searching for Sora again. Click on Sora and then click on Explore Sora. Now we are inside Sora. Here you can describe your image. If you click on Image, you'll see the option to choose either image or video. When you click there, it also gives you different canvas sizes to select from. We already have a prompt ready from ChatGPT, so we're going to paste it in here. In our prompt, we said, design a vibrant, best-selling cookbook cover in a vertical 6x9 format. You always have to add your layout. Take note of that. And then your subtitle, if you have one. The most important thing is telling Sora exactly what your book is. In our case, it's a cookbook. Then you provide the layout format, the title, and the subtitle. You can also customize it further by adding the style you want and the colors you want in the design. That makes the result even better. Before we click Create, if you're finding this tutorial helpful so far, make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss more videos like this. I share practical tips to help you design, publish, and grow your book business using AI tools. Now, go ahead and click on Create. While we wait for the image to generate, let's scroll through Sora and look at some of the amazing designs other people are creating. As you can see, there are many beautiful and creative visuals here. A lot of people are using Sora to produce high-quality designs. All right, our image is ready. Click on it and then click on it again to view the full result. Now we can see two versions that were generated. This is impressive. Normally, something like this would cost money and require waiting for a graphic designer. We're going to choose this one because it has frozen graphics all around it, which makes it more visually appealing for our cookbook theme. Now, click on Download and save the image. And just like that, your book cover is ready to use. If the size does not perfectly match your required dimensions, you can import it into Canva and resize it accordingly. And that's how you create a professional book cover using Sora in just a few minutes. If you found this video helpful, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more practical tutorials like this. Also, let me know in the comments what type of book you're working on. I'd love to know. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.